बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दोस्तों, ये CS 101 के पास पेपर है, ये ग्रैंड क्विज जो मिड टर्म में आपके संस्कृत बेस्ड पेपर होगा इसके मुताबिक। इंशाल्लाह ये मैं आपको जो पेपर करवाऊंगा इसमें से 80-90% आपके मार्क्स आ जाएंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Dash is a package containing a party name and that party's public key certificate. Hash refers to the address of a file resource accessible on the Internet. URL Uniform Resource Locator. While sending a message, it is the Dash layer's responsibility to provide an address that is compatible with the Internet application. If we have our inspiration sought on names Fred, Alex, Dinah, Byron, Coral, one's approach to sorting the list is to note that is a sublist consisting of only top name, a sequence of transactions in which the user established initial contact with the computer's operating system is called login. Program counter is a special purpose register who have highly prevalent access to the operating system super user or administrator. It is basic unit of storage. Within a transfer category, which instruction of is used to communicating with devices outside the CPU. IO instruction. CPU required at least 2 nanoseconds to fetch the instruction from memory. Loop structure refers as a protest loop, for loop. Presto code is language algorithm. Average amount, average amount of time required for desired data to rotate around to the read write head. Once the head has been positioned over the desired track, rotational delay. To introduce the idea of storing the program in main memory, John von Neumann. The memory manager allocates memory space. What is the full form of ASP? Active Service Page. When you teach in the Google by typing Google finds all these pages which contains some of the terms given in the query. Protocol is suitable for wireless core network CSMACD. The following is not the form of existing VoIP systems. Soft phones. Three-dimensional interface allows human user to communicate with the computers by means of 3D projection systems. GIF can obtain additional compression by using adaptive dictionary directory which directory system which technique is used by adaptive directory system for the purpose. LZW techniques. Time required to move the read write heads from one track to another. Rotational time. The following is the complete name of iterative iterative, iterative structures in which initial system